Boiling an egg is a simple process, but achieving the perfect consistency requires attention to detail. And only I'm going to tell you this. Start by placing the eggs in a saucepan or a pot. Make sure the eggs are in a single layer to prevent them from cracking during the cooking. Now next you're going to fill the pot with cold water, ensuring the eggs are fully submerged with about an inch of water above them. Turn the heat to medium high and bring the water to a boil. Once it reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat slightly to maintain a gentle simmer. At this point, you can begin timing the eggs. For soft boiled eggs with a slightly runny yolk, cook for around 6 minutes. For medium boiled eggs with a firmer yolk but still slightly creamy, aim for 8 minutes. If you prefer hard boiled eggs, set the with a completely set out yolk, nice and hard, allow them to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. After the desired cooking time, immediately remove the eggs from the hot water and transfer them to a bowl of ice water, or run them under cold water. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling easier. So once cooled, gently tap the eggs on a hard surface, peel the shell, and enjoy your perfectly boiled eggs.